Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is the top Google AdSense hacks that will make you money. But before we dig in, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We really appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. Top Google AdSense hacks that will make you more money. Google AdSense is a great way to make money online. Apart from earning money through advertising, you can also choose to become an AdSense publisher. Advertisers bid to have their ads shown on the sites they think will offer them the best return on their investment. As an AdSense publisher, you get paid every time someone views your ads or clicks on your links. The more times an ad or link is viewed, the higher the amount of money you will earn from it. However, Google has made it challenging for publishers to earn from AdSense ads. This means that you need to find hacks that can help you increase the number of people who are viewing your ads and clicking on your links. The most important thing you can do here is to optimize your site for the ads. If you have already optimized your site, then all you need to do is to make sure that the ads are optimized and appear as closely to the content as possible. Your landing page is what will determine how many people click on your ads and how much money you earn from Google AdSense. This is why you must make sure that your landing page is optimized and appealing to readers. Your landing page should have a strong focus on the benefits that your product or service can provide. This will help you to rewire your readers' brains and make them associate your landing page with new things regularly. This means that you have access to several tools that can help you promote your products and services. You can use these tools to greatly increase the number of views your ads have and the amount of money you earn from AdSense. Google Search Engine Optimization is the first thing you should start with when you want to promote your products and services on Google. You can use SEO to make sure that people see your site when they are searching for relevant information. You can also use SEO to make sure your site appears on the first page of the results. Google AdWords, this is a paid advertising platform that you can use to run ads on Google's search engine. Google Shopping Ads, this is an effective way to promote your products and services, especially if you are selling them online. You can use these ads to target customers who have recently searched for similar products online, who are in your target audience, and who have shown interest in your products or services through their browsing history. Google Blog Comment Ads, blog comments are a great way to promote your products and services. You can use these comments to show off your products and services, ask questions, and make money from the ads that are shown on them. Paid advertising is one of the most effective ways to promote your products and services. You can use it to promote your products or services through various channels such as Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Display Network, and Google Shopping. You can also choose to promote your products and services through paid advertisements on popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You will see better results if you spend a few hours every day promoting your products and services through paid ads. You need to be careful when choosing which channels to promote your advertisements through. As you can see, it is possible to earn a lot of money from Google AdSense. All you have to do is to find the right hacks and methods that work for you, keep your landing page fresh and strong, improve your landing pages, make your ads visible, track data on your readers, use Google's marketing tools properly, and lastly, utilize paid advertising. And if you do this, you will see a lot of money coming into your bank account from Google AdSense. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out adcreative.ai. Generate conversion-focused ad creatives and social media posts in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. Get $500 free Google Ads credits. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.